Okay, we are back.
But the real one, you need an Evo?
Yes. The one I brought all those parts for. I'm gonna work on that, whether you're here or not. I'm gonna work on it.
He's dying to work on that piece of shit.
We gotta do that test on that ramp too, because we sent that here just for us to test. Remember? Told me we were gonna do a test.
Oh, I remember.
Okay, we're gonna test this out. Okay, we have a custom piece here that Junior over there, Junior, that decided he wanted to gnaw on it for a little while. He didn't have the right, he's too cheap to buy the right snap ring plier tool.
Damn, that's a
So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna try to bend this square without breaking it. Now it's probably gonna break because he's only bent these so many times. We need to make it look like this side over here. So there's a couple ways of doing this, but basically you take a pair of pliers and just bend the piss out of it, that's what you do. And if it doesn't fall off, it's good. Okay, getting closer, and I'm not sure where he bent this at all the way, so I'm going to keep bending on this some more. Bend it up here on the top. Don't lose it. Okay, I wonder if he bent this side too. It looks like it's bent pretty bad. Getting closer. Okay, I gotta figure out where it's bent at. Where is it bent the most? That's the problem. It's hard to tell. It's bent pretty bad. We need to bend it some more here. Ah, got me. Ah, got me again. Keeps getting me in my thumb. It's like straightening a hose clamp. 10-cent hose clamp that costs $2. So he's over there changing fuses. I got nothing to do, so it's all right. We're gonna fix this thing. Need a little bit more out of it. Ah. Okay, looks like it's pretty close now. Now we got to straighten it out the other way. It's bent. So that I need another pair of pliers, or I'm going to just redo these. I'm going to redo these. So you go right to where the bend is, which is where, right where my thumb is down here. Go down there and bend the piss out of it. Whoop. Oh, we lost it. Oh. Okay. It's close to what we need now. Still pretty bent up though. It's too long this way here in that angle. So I need to bend it some more. In that plane. It's stuck together right now. Yeah. Okay. I think we're getting there. All right, there you go. It's a semi-round clip now. Now I guess you can make it work. Make the snap ring pliers actually work now. Now, did I bring my snap ring pliers with me? Because we know yours are no good. You know, like that. Uh-oh, what's that over there? I think I did. Uh-oh. What's that? Oh. Look at that. Got mine. Look at that. Got my genuine proto ones, or Blue Point, where they're from. One of those two companies. These are universal. Okay, now you go in there like this. Keeps trying to get it blow away. Better hold on to it, it's not very accurate. Okay, mine works now. Okay, we have a working snap ring clip thing here.
Battery to take me to the poorhouse.
This clip is still all bent up. Where's your pivot piece? Your pivot piece. Okay, we gotta see if this will work because this is pretty bent up. Looks like somebody was in here gnawing on it. Bent the piss out of it. I'm gonna get a lot of comments about I'm wasting my time here. How you going on your time?
Breakfast is ready. That's what's going on with our time.
I already had breakfast.
Well, it's ready again.
I'm gonna try to lose this clip. You sure this clip came off of here? You sure it came off of this? This clip's way too small. See, I'm bending the piss out of the clip again, trying to make it work. The problem is this clip doesn't fit this. That's the problem. I think you got the wrong clip here.
Is that what you think?
Look how much I'm bending it. See, when you overbend a clip like that, it's too big. It's not the right size. I just bent this clip back out like you did it. We have the wrong clip here. I think this clip is for something else. It's not for this. This pin's too big. That's why it doesn't fit. There. See, that's not the right clip. See how it doesn't fit?
Would fit if it went in there properly. You can see it's hanging out.
It's not in there.
1/8 inch out the back side.
Doesn't fit
You
correctly.
don't think that has anything to do with it?
Yeah, but look at the big hole on top. It's spread out so damn far.
Yeah.
That's why it's not the right clip. This clip is probably for a shift linkage or something. They're smaller than this.
Is that what you think?
That's what I think. All right, we still have to go to the store. How's this terminals going over there? Did you get them undone yet? Swapped out?
What are we talking about?
That clip's the wrong clip. All that work, it's the wrong clip. You got those switched out over there now?
What?
Did we switch them all out?
No, I don't have enough to switch them out.
Well, just switch out the ones you have. What are you doing over there? Just looking at it?
It's breakfast time.
I thought you were
You
looking
got
at
it, amigo?
No, I don't
It's
have any.
time for
I
breakfast.
ate breakfast already.
All right, then I'm gonna go eat breakfast, and you can stay out here and do whatever you want to do.
I was gonna put
The
the
breakfast is
fairing
ready for
together.
you in there.
I was gonna put the fairing together.
Get over here.
I thought you were changing fuses out. What are we doing over here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna be short.
You can buy some more. They sell more of those.
They do.
You can probably just buy 15 amperes
The
too.
problem is I can't afford them.
Well, that's because you gotta keep buying batteries all the time. Is that a good one?
15?
It's blue. It's blue. They're color coded nowadays.
Well, hang on to it at least. 'Cause it still works. Oh, 'cause I can't. My OCD can't do that.
You had it upside down?
Technically,
It's upside down. It's supposed to be upside down.
it's supposed to be upside down because it's upside down that way, but it doesn't work for my brain that way. So I'm gonna put them
So you're gonna put them upside down, which is the way you
upside
read them.
down, which is
The correct way to read them.
yes,
That's backwards though.
bass backwards.
That's right. It is. You running out of those yet? You just swap out some of the 15s for some 30s. You got some 30s.
That's not funny. You're not funny.
What's the green one? You got a lot of these yellowish looking ones here. What size are those? 20. Perfect. What's the green ones? 30. There you go. I like green. Just put all green ones in there. You won't be blowing fuses anymore.
Problem solved.
Take care of that problem. Quit blowing fuses.
Tin ball here.
I keep smelling smoke. You know what the problem is.
You smell something?
The red one's 10s.
Yep. Put a couple tin skis in here. Oh shit, we're gonna get to test pilot this thing today. I am excited.
I see you're done with Rex. We're gonna ride this thing.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Uh-oh, we lost it. You good with that?
Yeah.
You sure?
I gotta be, because that's all I got.
What? Do you have any
Said,
more?
where's said some... Had a spot for extra ones. What was that?
There's still some extra, still some 30s in there. Here on the side right here. Right there.
No, because there was some I didn't take out.
They're in there somewhere.
Oh, they're in the case.
There it is, right there.
There she blows. She got 2 10s.
Don't put none of that thin ass crap in there. Put some big fat ones in there. Put some 30s in there. Get home. What do you put 5 and 10 ones in there?
2 10s, 2 15s.
No 30s. Take the 10s out and put 20s in. Then we can get home. Something blows. 20 ain't gonna hurt it. Okay, we need a snap ring for this. Don't forget. We're gonna run it forever without it. What diameter is that? 3/8? Where's your caliper? You're gonna need a 3/8 snap ring. $400. What if you measure the top up here? No, you measure it up here. The fat spot is. See the big fat spot of caliper right there? Oh, it's the same size. You notice that?
What's 402?
It's bigger than 3/8, smaller than 11/32. Or not 11/30, 7/16. Excuse me.
Teacher, it smells like so much shit right where I'm standing.
I don't know what the problem with that. That's metric.
No, this is an American motorcycle. There's no metric parts on
Flip
this.
that
I'm
over
sure.
the flip that over the metric. 8 mil. 10.26 mil.
So it's got to be American, right?
It's odd size.
It's a lot like you.
Very odd, yes. We will just make that, you know what we're going to do? We're just going to put it back in this hole up here and forget about it. There, it'll stay in there forever. You don't need no clip on it. We'll just get a 3/8, whatever the next size above 3/8 is. That's what we'll get.
We got, I mean, they sell snap rings across the street at the hardware store.
Right, we'll just take that with
Find what
us.
we want, yeah.
We'll take it with us, but it's going to be a 3/8 or one size above it. We'll make it work.
But we better go inside before somebody gets
Okay, he's gonna. The dog over there eating on the bone.
Oh,
All right.
there it is.
We'll be back.
Trouble.